Hello everyone and welcome. So let's begin. So coming into a seated position, gently close the eyes and we'll just reconnect with the breath. And then gently coming into some twists, so looking over the right shoulder. Switching sides. And gently coming back to the center. We'll just move through some neck rolls, so moving the neck up and round and changing directions. And then lifting up the left hand, just gently pulling the head over towards the left side. Feeling that gentle stretch in the right side of the neck. Gently release. We'll switch sides. Slowly release. And then when you're ready, making your way up into tabletop position and sit the hips back into child's pose. Placing the hands out in front of the body, or walk the hands over towards the left side of the mat, lifting up the right hand and placing it on top of the left. Feeling that stretch through the right side of the body. And then walking the hands over towards the other side of the mat, lifting the left hand and placing it on top of the right. Coming back to the center, lift up the head and the chest. We'll come into tabletop position and we'll move through some cat-cow vinyasa. So inhaling, gaze moves up. Exhale, round the back. Moving with your breath at a pace that feels comfortable for you. And one more time. And coming back to neutral, walk the hands forward into puppy pose. Releasing through the chest and the shoulders. So you can either bring the forehead to the mat or release down to the chest. Gently walking the hands up. Lift up the right hand, threading it underneath the left. And we'll lift the left hand, placing it above the head. Slowly bring the body back up, and we'll switch sides so left hand threads underneath the right. Lift at the right hand, placing it above the head. Slowly release, and we'll make our way down onto the mat to lie on the belly. Place the hands underneath the shoulders. Take an inhale, lift up the chest. Exhale, release. Inhale, lift the chest. And exhale, release. So we'll just move for these two poses, imagining the body like water. Inhale as you move up, and exhale as you release. One last time, and holding, keeping a slight bend in the elbows. Keep the shoulders down. Gently release. And then we want to bring the right hand over towards the left hand in a diagonal. Reach back, seeing if we can hold onto the left ankle. If you're finding this uncomfortable, feel free to use a pillow to assist. Release the left ankle. We'll switch sides, placing the left hand in a diagonal position. Reach back with the right hand, seeing if you can hold onto the right foot, bringing it in towards the body. Gently release. And spreading both hands to either side of the body, come onto the left ear. Lift the right knee, gently twisting, coming into a scorpion twist. Gently release. We'll do the same for the other side. And gently release. And then making our way to lie on our backs. Pull the right knee in towards the chest and bringing it over towards the left side. You can cactus the right arm. slowly release. We'll do the same for the other side. Bring the knees back in towards the chest and bring the soles of the feet to touch, coming into a butterfly shavasana. The hands can come above the head or to the side of the body, or just stay here. So you can either stay here or making your way into the final shavasana, straightening out the legs and bringing the hands to either side of the body. And thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope to see you again.